Hello YouTube, ChargeText back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows Update installing stuck on 0%, 5%, or 10 or 20, but some percent it stuck in the Windows computer. So if you are facing this problem on this video, we are going to see 3 solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So to solve this problem, the first solution that we are going to use is troubleshooting the Windows Update. So in order to do that, again, you are going to click here the search icon and type here control panel. Here the control panel, then open it. So after the control panel open like this, well done. If it is not, just go here, click the arrow and select large icon, and you will find here troubleshooting. So select troubleshooting. Then after that, here you will find system and security option, which is there is a fixed problem with Windows updates. So select that, and here start the troubleshooting. So in order to start, click here next, and it starts the Windows update troubleshooting process. So wait patiently until detecting and resolving process will be finished. Here the troubleshooting has completed, and the troubleshooter made some change to your system. So select here, did we fix your problem? So select yes or no. In my case, I'll say yes and close the troubleshooter, and I'm going to close the control panel section and check by reinstalling your Windows update. If the problem still continues, then the second solution would be go here the search icon and type here service.msc here service, then open it. So after the service section opened, here list of services you'll find. So then scroll down and find for Windows updates, which is on the bottom W section, Windows update. Here we found the Windows update. So in my case it's automatic, but in your case, to make it the startup type automatic, just right click on it and select properties. Then after that, here you will find startup, which is options, automatic, manual, disabled. So if in your case it's manual or disabled, make sure you select automatic. Then after that, select here apply and select here OK. Then after you do that, right click on it and select here restart. So it's restarting and it's completed. Then close your service section and check whether the problem is solved or not. Again, if the problem is still occurring, then the search solution for this video will be go here, click the search icon and type here CMD. Here the command prompt. So right click on it and select run as administrator. Confirm by selecting yes. And here the CMD opened. Here I have command, which is to stop the Windows update. So first copy this command, which is this one, copy and minimize, then paste it, then press enter. So here the Windows update service is stopping and stopped successfully. Then after that, copy the second one and press enter, and the background transfer service is not started. So after we did this, then we proceed to clean the software distribution. So after you stop the Windows update, then click here the File Explorer and click this PC. Then open the operating system that you installed. Then go to here Windows and find for software distribution. Here the software distribution. So open it and select everything that you find here, then cut everything and create a new folder on anywhere that you want, which is we are making just backup. So paste it here by selecting here continue, select again here continue, and make sure you select do this for all current items and select continue. So we copied all the files from the software distribution and it's clear. The only reason that we are cut and paste to other place is if something would happen, you can bring back all those software distribution files to the previous place. So close this and again go back to the CMD and paste the rest of the commands, which is start the Windows update, which is the first one. So here paste it and press enter, so it's going to start the Windows update. Here the Windows update starts successfully, and after that again it start bits, then again copy this one and again paste it here and press enter. Then background intelligent transfer service is starting and it starts successfully. Then type here exit and press enter, then after that restart your computer. So these are the solutions to fix your Windows update installing stuck problem. So if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.